In this video, I will show you how to add Afterpay logo to Shopify. So simply what you need to do, you have to open your Shopify store, and after that click on online store. Now click on themes. Now select the theme that you want to customize. After that, here you will find the three button option. Now click on edit code. So after this, when you click on edit code, simply what you need to do to get your button on your site, uh, you have to upload the social media image to your theme. So click on asset folder to open it. Now scroll down and click add a new asset link. So after that, choose the icon file on your computer and click upload asset. Copy the source code, put it aside into notepad at something, and after that just go back to your footer liquid code and find icon fallback text and paste this code below to the info code. So after that, delete the part between the quotes and paste stored source code link you are grabbed before. So this will insert the image in the default size. So in this way you can add Afterpay logo to Shopify.